Sindh has always stood at the heart of Pakistan's story, a land of vision, sacrifice, and courage. And institutions like Cadet College Petaro ensure that Sindh continues to give this country leaders forged in discipline and guided by principle. As you march forward from this parade ground into life, carry these truths with you. When the path is unclear, choose integrity. When the pressure is heavy, rely on discipline. When the nation calls, answer with courage. May your actions honor your parents and teachers. May your leadership strengthen Pakistan. And may you always remember that the greatest title you will ever hold is servant to the people of Pakistan. Congratulations, cadets. May you serve Pakistan with honor, courage, and unwavering commitment. Pakistan Zindabad. I thank you.